discovery of phagocytosis. Marcello here. Welcome back to Immunology Insights, Basics and Beyond. In our journey so far, we have explored the intricacies of the immune system, from its cellular components to its complex interactions. Last week we covered T cells. Today, however, we delve into the life and work of one of immunology's founding figures, Elie Metchnikoff, whose discoveries of phagocytosis revolutionized our understanding of innate immunity. So let's talk science. Elie Metchnikoff was born in 1845 in a small village in Ukraine. From an early age, Metschnikoff exhibited an insatiable curiosity about the natural world, a trait that would lead him to become one of the most influential scientists of his time. His path to scientific fame, however, was not straightforward. After a series of personal and professional challenges, including the tragic loss of his first wife, Metchnikoff's career took a decisive turn when he began his groundbreaking work on phagocytosis. As for the discovery of phagocytosis, in the late 19th century the scientific community was divided on the mechanisms of immunity. The prevailing theory was that immunity was primarily driven by humoral factors, with little consideration given to the cellular components. Metschnikoff, however, believed that cells played a critical role in defending the body against infection. The pivotal moment in Metchnikoff's career came in 1882. When he was studying starfish larvae. He observed that when he introduced small thorns into the larvae, certain cells surrounded and engulfed the foreign objects. He hypothesized that this process, which he termed phagocytosis, from the Greek words phagein, meaning to eat, and kytos, meaning cell, was a fundamental mechanism of immune defense. Metchnikoff's hypothesis was initially met with skepticism. But he persisted in his research, expanding his studies to other organisms, including humans. His work demonstrated that phagocytic cells, which we now know as macrophages and neutrophils, are essential components of the immune system, responsible for engulfing and destroying pathogens. His impact on immunology is undeniable. Metchnikoff's discovery of phagocytosis was revolutionary. It provided the first clear evidence that cells, and not just antibodies, played a vital role in immunity. This was a significant shift in the understanding of how the body defends itself against diseases and laid the groundwork for the study of innate immunity. In 1908, Metchnikoff's contributions were recognized when he was awarded the Nobel Prize in Physiology or Medicine, shared with Paul Ehrlich, another giant in the field of immunology. Metchnikoff's work on phagocytosis not only advanced scientific knowledge, but also paved the way for the development of vaccines and other immunotherapies. And his legacy lives on. Metchnikoff's life was as fascinating as his scientific contributions. He was known for his unconventional methods and intense dedication to his work. One famous anecdote involves Metchnikoff inoculating himself with syphilis to test his theories on immunity, a risky experiment that fortunately did not result in illness, likely due to the use of a less infective strain of the bacterium. Beyond his research, Metchnikoff was deeply concerned with the human condition. He believed that aging and death were diseases that could be cured, and spent the later years of his life studying probiotics, which he thought could prolong life by promoting a healthy gut microbiome. Today, Metchnikoff is remembered as the father of innate immunity. His work continues to influence modern immunology, particularly in the study of how the immune system responds to infection and the development of new therapies to harness the power of phagocytosis. To conclude, Elie Metchnikoff's discovery of phagocytosis was a landmark achievement in immunology. His work challenged prevailing theories and opened new avenues for research that continue to bear fruit today. As we continue our journey through the world of immunology, it's essential to remember the pioneers like Metschnikoff, whose curiosity and dedication laid the foundation for our current understanding of the immune system. In the next chapter, We will explore the different types of antibodies, their roles in the immune system, and how they contribute to our body's defense against pathogens. Stay tuned as we continue to uncover the fascinating complexities of immunology. Before closing, I have a small request. If you enjoyed my content and want to hear more, like and subscribe. It's a small step for you, but it helps me a lot. So see you next time, and thank you for listening.